Hey guys, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach, and today, my beautiful ladies, I'm going to give you 5 steps on how to make him want to be in a relationship with you. So if you are in friends and benefits situation, or if you just met a guy and want to have a relationship with him, please watch this video till the end to apply the steps that I will share with you. For the friends and benefit relationship, it usually takes a couple months to turn the guy into the boyfriend, and if you just started dating someone new, it's usually way faster than that. So the step number 1 would be concentrate on your life, on your goals, ambitions, dreams. Put yourself first. When you put yourself first, other people put you first too. It's really attractive to see a busy girl who is very happy with her life, who knows how to make herself happy. As Michelle Obama said, when I was studying, if I would have been thinking which guy is cute, which guy is not cute, who likes me, who doesn't like me, if I would have been concentrated on that, I would not be married to a president right now. So ladies, again, your life, dreams, goals, ambitions, your bliss, your kingdom comes first. It's very attractive, and this way you are naturally a challenge. Men love a challenge. Tip number 2, let him chase you. Chase your dreams, not the guy. When we chase a man, our crown falls off, okay? So let him be the one to pursue you. Let him be the one to get in contact with you. Let him be the one to ask you out on the dates. Let him be the one to confirm the dates. Men love a challenge. What comes easy goes easy. Be that challenge for him. Don't take that pleasure away from him, and he will appreciate you for that. Ladies, I also have a video on how to get a man to chase you, and if you want to see that video, just press on this little pop-up thingy right here. Tip number 3, don't wear your heart on a sleeve. Keep your feelings to yourself. Let him open up first. Let him think that he's falling in love first. Let him say the first words, I love you. You just be receptive and go with it. But ladies, please don't wear your heart on a sleeve. When you wear your heart on a sleeve, you're not a challenge anymore. He knows how you feel about him. He knows that you want him so much. He knows how obsessed or crazy you are about him, and there is no reason for him to chase you anymore. There is no reason for him to trap you in a relationship anymore. He's got you there already. He knows that he's got you when you share your feelings, when you put everything on a platter. Stay a challenge. Stay a challenge not just by pursuing your goals and ambitions. Stay a challenge by holding your feelings to yourself. Let him wonder what you think about him. Let him wonder where your mind is at. It's mystery. It's the biggest power of seduction. Let him open up first. Tip number 4, enjoy your moments with him. Okay, guys love when we making a woman laugh and she laughs. Guys need to feel the connection as well. We need to feel the bond as well. And you letting him chase you, letting him pursue you, you concentrating on your life, you're not wearing your heart on a sleeve. You already being a challenge, okay? You're already showing that you have an incredible busy life. So it's really important, enjoy the moments together when you are with him. If you're not going to enjoy that, if you're gonna have a grumpy face or you're complaining all the time, he's gonna be like, what's there to fight for? What's there to pursue? But when you're enjoying the moments with him and you're a challenge and a mystery when you're not with him, this is what makes him go for you more, because he's thinking about these moments. When you're not going to see him, he will be remember those dates, and he's gonna be thinking like, oh wow, I had such an incredible date with this girl. We really bond, we enjoy a moment together. Let me ask her out again. Tip number 5, or I should say step number 5. Now I'm totally confused. Anyway, the tip number 5 is control your emotions when he is pushing your buttons. Man will push your buttons. to see can he balance you out emotionally. Do you go crazy? Do you act needy, clingy, controlling, possessive, jealous, insecure when he is trying to make you jealous? Guys will make situations for you in order to try and make you jealous, to see will you go crazy on him, and this way he will judge you. Does this girl have a full emotional control, or she loses it over small little thing? So it's really important to control your emotions and not to react when he is trying to make you go crazy, when he is trying to push your buttons. And for that, ladies, I actually written a whole ebook which is called Ways Men Test Women. Pass his test and have him twisted around your little finger to adore, respect, cherish, and love you forever. And that ebook is all about ways men test women and all about the buttons that we push. So the quick reply to this would be, ladies, do not respond to any negativity. Ignore any negativity around you. When you ignore, when there is no audience, there is no show. Okay, when we pay attention to drama, when we pay attention to negativity and we go crazy, we reward that negativity. But when we ignore the whole thing, when we don't when we don't give any attention to it, then there is no reason to put on a show, right? Because the show is ignored, the show is meaningless. You don't give any power to the show. Okay, so as I said, with tip number 5, be strong when he is pushing your buttons. Do not react, and get my ebook. My ebook is wonderful and it's all breaking down for you, ladies. So ladies, if you like this video, please press like, and please let me know in the comments below, have you followed these steps to make a guy into your boyfriend, or maybe you are following these steps right now and what is happening in your relationship? I would love to hear from you. And please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get my notifications, because I upload videos a couple times a week. And ladies, join my High Value Women Facebook group. Ladies in there are in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in their man. It's amazing. It's a free group. It's private, ladies only. Everything is kept a secret there. And join my Instagram. On my Instagram, I do lives once a week answering your questions during the live. So if you have a question that you would like me to ask me, join my Instagram, which is called a Ladies Relationship Coach, and I will answer your question on a spot during my Instagram live. My Instagram is private as well, so nothing to worry about again. And if you would like me to help you on how to make a guy into your boyfriend, you can book me as a coach, and I will hold your hand and I will break everything down for you and coach you how to do that. Kisses from London. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.